Ready na kami for filing next week. So, complete na case build-up namin. We should be ready to file cases against the Bids and Awards Committee from 2014 to 2025 for bid rigging. Handa na kami. Solid na yung, yung proof namin.
Sir, yung mga nasampahan ng reklamo o kaso, ganun din po ba ang proseso na kailangan ma-relieve din sila sa pwesto?
Yes, they will be put under preventive suspension. Papel namin sa ombudsman ang kaso nila. Then they will be heard. They will have their day in court, pero kakasuhan na sila at they will be recommended for replacement already.
Sir, ilan lahat po ito pinag-uusapan natin?
Parang aabot sila ng 4 na po. Almost 40. Kasi 10 years yan eh. 10 years yan.
So, sir, yung 4 na po, lahat dito lang sa BFP.
Main yan, the BFP main.
And lahat sila marirelieve.
Again?
Lahat sila matatanggalin sa
Yes,
pwesto.
lahat sila marirelease sa pwesto.
Sir, tungkol naman po sa...
Kahit retired na, kakasuhan pa rin namin ha. Kahit retired na.
Sir, doon sa 40, ilan ang retired?
Kalahati yata retired na. I will be filing charges against the chief of the BFP, Jesus Fernandez, also to his deputies, also to the Bids and Awards Committee.
Kung kasama ho siya sa masasampahan, paano po yung epekto nito sa kanya as being the head of the Bureau?
I will recommend for his replacement. Si President Marcos ang siyang appointing authority, hindi ako eh. But I will be recommending his replacement already.
Nahiling na po ninyo sa presidente po yon na sekretary?
Yes, nahiling ko na.
At meron na rin ho kayong rekomendasyon kung sino po yung ipapalit po kay Director Fernandez?
3 ang pinagpipilian namin and bina-background check pa namin lahat. Kasi again, we need reforms eh. Si Director Fernandez before becoming chief of the BFP was head of the procuring entity. Siya yung head ng back. So, talagang alam niya lahat. Alam niya lahat ang ecosystem ng corruption sa loob ng BFP.
Anong kaso ho yung initially ay nakita ho ninyong maring i-file ho against him?
Bid rigging ang number 1. Bid rigging, graft. The others, i-day natin yung full report ng legal department namin. By Monday, handa na siya.
At gaano karaming dating mga opisyal ng BFP ang mananagot? Kasi ang binabanggit ho ninyo is 2014. Ibig ho bang 2014 magsisimula? Ibig sabihin ho ba nito, since 2014, lahat ng naupo bilang mga BFP director ay sangkot ho sa kasong ipapile po ng BIRG?
Lahat ng kasali sa Bids and Award Committee, lahat ng naging chief ng BFP ay kasama sa kasong to. We follow the rule of law. We will charge them with the core, bahala na ang sandigan kung makita kung anong guilt nila, but we will provide incontrovertible evidence that there is corruption, massive corruption inside the BFP.